What's that for, mate?
Ah, I forgot to mention. For each one that you get wrong, I get to grind off a finger. So, 10 questions, 10 fingers, kind of fitting, you know what I mean?
So it's sort of like Who Wants to Be a Millionaire?
Yeah, except you don't get to phone a friend if you get one wrong because you'll be too busy screaming and fucking agony.
Right. Well, let's rock and roll then.
All right, we'll start off with an easy one. What Aboriginal term, meaning waterhole, is also the name of an Australian surf clothing company?